Vstech specializes in software development, consulting, and providing industrial image processing solutions in manufacturing, security, medicine, education, and more. Today, we introduce our professional project implementation process, ensuring we meet all customer needs and satisfaction. First, we receive and understand customer requirements through detailed information intake. Next, our technical team conducts on-site surveys at the factory to understand field conditions and gather necessary data for project implementation. We then create a demo using customer samples at our office to ensure our proposed solution is the most suitable and effective. Following this, we prepare a detailed solution report and quotation for the customer, maintaining transparency and clarity in all details for customer peace of mind. Once both parties agree on the solution and costs, a contract is signed, marking the start of the project. Our technical team will then install and calibrate the machinery according to technical requirements, ensuring a smooth and timely process. Finally, we deliver the machinery and provide detailed usage instructions to the customer, ensuring efficient operation of the equipment. If the system encounters any issues, our technical team will immediately provide online support to resolve the problem as quickly as possible. If online support is unsuccessful, we will promptly visit the factory to provide timely assistance and prevent any negative impact on the production process. Vstech. Speed, innovation, efficiency.